a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, power driver's seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.